Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anamullah. Welcome to IT Engineering YouTube channel. Today we are going to start chapter number 1, exercise number 2. That how can we create a CSV file. First, I will tell you that what is CSV file. Then second number is for what purpose CSV file used for. So let's get started. What is a CSV file? First, what is the abbreviation of CSV? C means comma, S means separated, and V means value, comma separated value. A CSV file is a text file in which information is separated by commas. We can separate all information with the help of commas. CSV files are most commonly encountered in spreadsheet and database to record data. You can use a CSV file to move data between programs that aren't ordinarily able to exchange data. A CSV file is a simple text file that you can open in a wide variety of programs, including any program that work with plain text like the Notepad app. Inshallah, the next video I will tell you also about the Notepad, that how can we create a CSV file from the Notepad. So as I tell you earlier, that the second number is what is a CSV file used for what purpose is used for, why the people are use the CSV file. So it's a way to exchange structured information like the contents of a separated sheet among programs that can't necessarily talk to one another directly. As long as two programs can both open a CSV file, they can exchange data. At the same time, we can create both CSV file and we can exchange data. For example, I'm giving you example that you can save content information from the Microsoft Excel as a CSV file and import into the address book in Google Contact. So let's go to the Excel, that how can we create it. So I open my Excel sheet. I already make a CSV file. You can see here that I created a CSV file. While make a CSV file, you carefully see that the first is I will tell you here. The first is point. Okay, this one is called point. This one is easting. This one is northing, and this one is elevation. Elevation that we are denoted to Z. Okay, so it becomes P, E, N, and Z. It becomes point, easting, northing, and elevation. Okay, we have created a CSV file for Civil 3D. Okay, now you should care about the decimals. For example, here you can see 3 decimals after the point 3. If I added here 4 number of decimals, then the CSV file will not become. That's why I told you earlier that CSV file keep the same. The decimal you should watch, you should see all the decimal same. Come down, I will tell you here is all are same after the decimals. Okay. Now we can save it. So go to a file, click on the save as. Okay, go. I already give an NGL. Okay, come to here down and select the CSV tab. Where is yeah, there is a CSV comma delimited. When you make a CSV file and come here and select CSV file delimited. So I'm gonna select and save. So I saved my data. Inshallah, in the next video I will tell you that how can we import these points into Civil 3D. How can we import this file to Civil 3D? So if you are new on our channel, please subscribe our channel for informative videos. Till to the next videos. Keep watching and stay tuned with us and share with your friends. Salam.